Hi children, welcome back to the world of handwriting. Okay, so today we are going to learn Lucida capital letters A to M. In the previous classes, 2 videos, we completed small letters A to Z. So I hope that all of you are practicing it. You have to watch the video, you have to practice it. At the same time, whatever you practice in the 4-line book, after practicing, after writing, you take the photo and send it to your English teachers. Okay, you all have the 4-line book, right? So, what do you have to do? What all the things you have seen in the video, the strokes and the practice of letters, you have to do it daily 1 page. You have to write the name, day, date and class, and then you have to take the photo and send to your English teacher daily. It is not 1-day process, it is a daily process. Okay, so today we are going to learn capital letters A to M. So for all these letters, all these 13 letters, all the 26 letters I have divided into 2. In the next video, for next week, I will give you the remaining 13 letters. Today, let us learn capital letters A to M in Lucida style. Okay, for that we need to learn the strokes. Okay, there are only 4 types of strokes coming in this. Okay, let me show you. The strokes which is slanting right side, slanting to right side. You see here. The strokes slanting to right side. Okay, the next one is the stroke slanting to left side. Here in A and M, you can find them. The stroke slanting to left side. Okay, so the next stroke is the curve. Next stroke is the curve. Okay, so and the other one is the same curve to the other direction. Okay, and the fourth one is the strokes which comes on the lines. Okay, you have to practice them. 1 page. 1 page of your 4-line you have to practice only these strokes. So these strokes comprises the letters, capital letters A to M. Okay, now let us start learning. Okay, so first in order to write the capital A, we have to take the first stroke that is slanting to right side. And we have to join that with a small curve here. And then we have to take the next stroke which is slanting to left side. There you get capital A. Once again, we have to take the stroke which is slanting to right side. You have to join them with a small curve. Then take the curve slanting to left side. And there you get capital A. Now let us go to capital B. The stroke slanting to right side. A small curve. Now these circles you have to take into 2. 1, 2. We get capital B. Once again, the stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, and then we get capital B. Now if you take exactly this stroke, we get capital C. But here in the starting, we have to give a little slanting. We get capital C. Now let us take capital D, the stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, and we have to join them. We get capital D. The stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, and then this stroke complete it joining, then we get capital D. Next we have capital E. For that we have to take this stroke. First we have to write the strokes, practice. Then the stroke slanting to right side, we get capital E. Once again. We get capital E. Next we have capital F. We take those two strokes here and then we get capital F. Next we have, once again, I'll show once again that capital F. Next we have capital G. This stroke we have to take. Capital G. Once again. Now next we have capital H. We take the stroke slanting to right side, small curve, another stroke slanting to right side, there we get capital H. Stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, another stroke slanting to right side, join them with another stroke, we get capital H. Capital I. So you take the stroke slanting to right side and join with them on the top and bottom here. There we get capital I. Next we have capital J. Take the first stroke and then right side stroke and the curve. We get capital J. Once again. So we get capital J. Next we have K. Stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, join them with the two strokes, we get capital K. Once again, stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, join them, we get capital K. Next we have capital L. Stroke slanting to right side, you bring it here and take this stroke and we get capital L. Once again, capital L. We have the last letter, that is capital M. Stroke slanting to right side, a small curve, stroke slanting to left side, right side and left side. We get capital M. Once again, stroke slanting to right side, small curve, stroke slanting to left side, stroke again to right side, left side, we get capital M. Okay, so as I told you, practice these strokes alone in one page, only one page, and then write this capital A to M, daily one page, and post it to your subject English teacher. Okay, now I will show you how to write it in the 4-line. Okay, children, now you see how do I write. So don't forget to write your name. Okay, your name here. Your class. And the date here. Okay, now let us learn today's strokes. The strokes which is slanting to right side. That you can complete the total line here. Now the stroke which is slanting to left side. Now you complete this total line. Now next we have the curve. The same curve to the different direction. Next we have this stroke. You have to complete that. Okay, so when you complete this one page, take the next page for writing your today's letters. They are capital A to M. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M. So you complete. No need of wasting this line. You can start here, capital A, continue and write one page daily and send to your English teacher. Thank you, children. Happy learning.